have the Nintendo Switch. Let me show you how to cancel a download. So let's say you downloaded something and you then quickly changed your mind and you don't want to download that particular software or game anymore. You can actually cancel the download. So from the home screen, just navigate to the download you want to cancel. So this is an ongoing download. What you want to do is tap on that and you should see the progress of the download. Tap on download options and then go ahead and select cancel download. It's going to ask you the download will cancel. You want to go ahead and select OK. So you see the download has been cancelled. If you want to re-download or to continue downloading or to restart the download, you have to go to the eShop. All right. So it's going to cancel the download and delete the files that had already been downloaded. Thanks for watching. Comments and questions down below, and good luck.